target at my sleeve. I do believe it's Christmas. It's cold outside, but I'm warm within. 'Cause Christmas.
Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the last video of this year. Can we believe it? I honestly feel like this year has gone so fast, but I'm really excited to start a new year. I always feel like it's like a fresh start. You can close this book, start a new book, it's the first chapter, get yourself in a good mindset, and it's just my favourite. I actually love New Year's. I used to hate it. I used to think I don't want this year to end, but now I really like the fresh start. So I've been asking you guys on my Instagram and also my YouTube what you want me to film as my next video, which is also my last video for this year. In terms of like having some time off YouTube and stuff, I'm literally just having a week off, which basically means I'm missing one upload, which isn't actually a lot. I always think that the gap from Christmas to New Year's is so much bigger, but my next upload will be Sunday the 1st, which is the 1st of Jan. So I'm only missing Wednesday's upload, so it's not too bad. You guys know I hate missing uploads. But yeah, I was asking you guys on my Instagram and my YouTube what you want me to film for my last video, and so many of you said a pre-Christmas clean. And I'm not gonna lie to you, this house needs a little bit of TLC. It needs to smell like the cranberry and orange Zoflora, and I want to give it like a nice zhuzh. So I thought we could do this together. If you're excited for today's video, please do give it a big thumbs up as it helps me out so much. And let's begin cleaning. I think I'm going to start off in the kitchen as I always do. So make yourself a hot chocolate, a coffee, get cozy, and I really hope you guys enjoy today's video. Start off my clean, I'm going to pop a wash on. I do this every single time I clean because by the end of the whole entire clean, the wash load is usually done. Then it's time for me to just pop it out and then I can pop the next load on, and it just makes it so much easier and a lot easier just for me to stay on top of it as well. So that is always the first thing that I like to do. Then I'm just going to clean any little bits and bobs around the kitchen, do the dishwasher, wipe the sides, you guys know the drill, just to get everything all sparkly.
Start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everything.
Something that I always do every single time I clean the kitchen is fill the sink up with warm to hot water, get a sponge, and then also my favourite Zoflora. So at the moment I'm using, I think this is the cranberry and orange one. It smells amazing. And then I'll literally just use this on the sides, the cupboards, any appliances. This is a disinfectant, but it also makes your whole kitchen smell incredible. So I really recommend doing this step, and it also makes everything really shiny and just so lovely. Then I'm just popping my duster on. I really like this just to add a little bit of quickness to my day, especially when I need to dust and get things done. It's really helpful for a speed clean. So I dust first, and then I'll get my flush and then my cloth as well, and then just shine everything and make it all sparkly.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh.
If you guys have watched my videos before, I'm sure you know I am such a big fan of candles and wax melts and diffusers. I love my home to smell amazing, so I love this wax melt from Next Time. It is honestly one of my favourites. So after that, I'm just going to pop everything away in its right place, and then one of the last things I like to do is to shine and disinfect my sink. This flash spray is from Mrs. Hinch. It's incredible. Like, the range that she does is amazing, and I think this is in the scent eucalyptus or frosted eucalyptus. I don't know, it smells amazing though. So yeah, I like to shine my sink, pop the kettle on, pop the cloths that I used in the sink, and then of course grab my favourite Zoflora. This is in the scent orange and cranberry, or cranberry and orange, and it honestly smells amazing. My whole house smelled insane after using this. So I really recommend doing this tip if you're looking for your whole house to smell amazing, but also to disinfect your sink and your sponges. It's such a good tip. And then after that, I'm just going to hoover and mop in the kitchen.
Feeling alone, kinda misty, waiting now for you to come. It's cold again, but I know we'll be warm, sitting by the fire and dream.
Moving on to the hallway, I'm literally just going to dust and hoover everything. So I always like to go in with my duster first just to get majority of the dust off, and then I'll go with my polish after just to shine everything. I actually use this flash spray throughout the whole of the house because it's such a gorgeous scent and it's a really lovely like multi-use product, so I really recommend this. So after everything is all lovely and polished, I'm just going to hoover. I did do the skirting boards and everything like that last week, so I like to do that every other week. So today I wanted to do a speed clean, so I'm just going to hoover and make everything all lovely and sparkly. I also mopped the hallway, but I don't think it filmed, but I did mop it after.
A secret and a song, even church bells sing along, and the children.
This is our downstairs toilet. To be fair, I think because it's the one that we use the most, it is always quite clean. So I just hoovered it, dusted it, and then also mopped it.
How lucky can this old heart be? And I fall into peace and silence.
Moving on to the living room. I think this is my favourite room in the house to clean. What is your favourite room in the house to clean? Let me know in the comments down below. I think because we spend majority of our time in here, I love it to feel extra cosy, and when it's clean it just feels 10 times cozier. So I'm starting off by hoovering the rug, which is the most satisfying thing because of hoover lines. I wish we had carpet in here because oh my god, I would love it. So yeah, I'm just hoovering everywhere, and then I'm going to dust and mop and make it all lovely and shiny.
Tell me again with a whisper, little things that I wanna hear, and the stars up above, they are shining with love, listening to this song playing on, listening to this song playing on.
An easy way to make everywhere smell amazing is using an oil diffuser. This one is from The White Company. You just pop a little bit of water and your favourite essential oils in, pop it on, and then your whole room will smell amazing. And I really love the sound of it as well. I find it is so relaxing. So then I'm just going to do the dining table just to mop it a little bit. Dust it a little bit and put everything back in its place. Do the other coffee tables, and then I'm finally finished in downstairs.
Comes to say that Christmas is on its merry way, and for every single child there's a gift on sale.
Moving on upstairs, I'm going to start in my beauty room by opening my blinds, getting all the lovely natural light coming through, and then literally just cleaning in here. I'm tidying away all the stuff that I used this morning, like my curlers and my straighteners, popping away any clothes and any bits that aren't in its right place. I'm just popping in the right place and making it all lovely and shiny.
It brings a hope of peace, both near and far away. It says we can live together
After the beauty room is done, I'm going to move over into the hallway. I always open the curtains to let the natural light in, pop away any washing that was there from the day before, and then literally just hoover. I love hoovering the landing. I feel like it makes everywhere feel extra clean and tidy. Is anyone else the same? And then lastly, I'm moving on into the bedroom. So it wasn't bad in here, it just needed a little bit of cleaning and tidying. So I'm just going to pop away bits that were out and not meant to be out, and then also do some hoovering and dusting, polish all the mirrors. You guys know the drill. You would have seen I didn't do the ensuite or the bathroom downstairs. It's because we literally cleaned them a couple of days ago, so I didn't need to do that. We've been doing a lot of little and often at the minute, and it's been really helping, so I really recommend if you guys are struggling to keep tidy, just do little and often and it will really help. Does anyone else always spritz the bed and stuff after you clean it? I love it. I love it to smell all lovely.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little prison shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then...
So my lovelies, this was my pre-Christmas speed clean. I hope this has given you any motivation that you need today, just to clean your house and make it all lovely for the festive period. Thank you so much for watching as always. I love you guys so much. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Love you.
Change from now on. Yes,